Question 11, full of numbers, x's and y's, all raised to different powers, and we're asked to simplify it down to this form. Notice that all the terms are either multiplied together or divided. So let's just set up an equation, work out what the top is, work out what the bottom is, and cancel away. So looking at this bracket at the top, when we take that bracket away, we're going to have to square all of these terms individually. Squaring 6, squaring x raised to the power 5, that'll become x to the power 10. This will become y to the power 6, 3 times 2. We multiply these powers because we have a bracket. So the numbers first. 6 squared is 36. X to the 5th raised to the power 2 is the same as saying x to the power 5 multiplied by 2. So this term will be x to the power 10. Again, y raised to the power 3, now squared, is 3 times 2, so this is equal to y to the power 6. Now the bottom, 3, now the x's. X to the power 2 multiplied by another x, we're now going to be adding the powers. So this is x to the power 3. And the y's, we've got y to the 7 multiplying by y to the negative 3. The index will be 7 minus 3, so this is y to the 4. And let's not forget that 4, which is there. Okay, cancelling. 3 goes into 36 12 times, and 4 goes into 12 3 times. So our number term will be 3. Now the x's. I've got x to the 10 on the top, dividing by x to the 3 on the bottom. This will be x to the 10 minus 3, which is 7. And the y's, I've got 6 on the top, take away 4, 6 minus 4 is 2. So this is multiplied by y squared. And that should be your answer.